Welcome back to Gen Morning News with all of the latest updates. It's the top of the hour, so let's move right into traffic. Taking a look up here in the top right corner with chromosome 1 of individual 1, MIJ, centromere KLHG, and chromosome 2, GHIJ, centromere KLM, it's clear to see where you might run into trouble with that pericentric inversion. So let's take a minute to run through it. Chromatid 1 here in magenta is looking quite clear and viable, hitting the same regions in the same order as the parental chromosome. Definitely a safe bet if you're looking to avoid any traffic. Things switch up with chromatid 2 in green, where that crossover between the J and K regions come into play. The interchange throws chromatid 2 off course, where you'll just end up back where you started. And that definitely won't be a viable route for you because of the deletion of regions H and G, as well as the duplication of region M. The chromatid 3 in blue is a safe bet, the same length as chromatid 1, but with a change in region order due to the loop. Another parental chromosome look-alike, so still a viable route. Finally, I strongly recommend avoiding chromatid 4 as it is the longest route and still non-viable. Due to the crossover at the centromere, like chromatid 2, you'll end up back where you started at region G with a duplication involving not just one, but two regions. Those of you looking at individual 2 will see much different results from individual 1. Individual 2 has completely reciprocal chromosomes, the first being MIJ centromere KLHG and the second being GHLK centromere JIM. With this in mind, there cannot be a loop because that will change the order of the chromosomes so that they aren't the exact inverse of each other. This means that all of the gametes will be viable, as half will be the same as one parental chromosome and the other half will be the same as the other. As you can see, if you follow the paths on the map like we did before, you cannot go wrong with individual 2 because there are no deletions or duplications. However, all of this being said, I definitely recommend individual 1 this morning as the fitness is greater than individual 2. This can be due to the fact that the viable and non-viable meiotic products will each make up 50% of the resulting gametes. The non-viable path seen earlier will cause this chain of events. Divergence of individuals will prevent gene flow, which in turn will promote speciation. This can be thought of as the people taking each path will continue to take that path every day, leading to consistency within the chromatids. Over time, there will be less crossing over between the people taking each path, so each path has its own group or species. That about wraps it up with morning traffic. Let's head back to see the references.